Hi food lovers, today in this video I want to show you how you can make the best fisherman soup with pounded yam, the best street food, Nigerian street food you've ever seen. My name is Chef Josh. Please wait till the end of this video so you can get details and complete recipes on how to get this dish. Please, let's do it. First, I have my fish. Cut it into desired portion. Remember to wash it thoroughly and also use lemons while washing the fish. Then bring it to your pot, season with fresh crushed pepper, salt, and also seasoning cube. Add some fine chopped onions to it. Stir all to combine. Steam the fish with the juice from the fish to enable the ingredient penetrate in the fish before adding an extra water to it. Then also allow the fish to steam after some time to ensure that it's well cooked and tender. Introduce your fresh palm oil. Ensure the palm oil is fresh. Then allow it to cook for some time before you add some quantity of dry grinded crayfish. Allow it to steam for some minutes and also add your fresh periwinkle, not the one with the shell. Also remember to use a piece of that fish, mash it, and then thicken the soup with it. What a fisherman soup. What a nice Nigerian street food. Remember to try this recipe at home and also let me know where you are watching from. After thickening the soup with the mashed fish, remember to also garnish it with some dry scent leaf. If you don't have dry scent leaf, you can also use fresh scent leaf or curry leaf. Then this is how you are supposed to do, or the best way to prepare your pounded yam so that it can be well enjoyed with the fisherman soup. First, you need to slice the yam into pieces, peel off the back, cut it into desired portions, wash it free from sand, and then put it in the pot. Add some quantity of water, cook it to ensure that the yam is well soft and then tender. Strain it from the water and then take it to your mortar. Pound it very well. Ensure that there is no lumps in the yam while pounding it. So you need to take your time to pound the yam to ensure that it's free from lumps. We are almost there. Our fisherman soup and pounded yam is almost ready. This is the best Nigerian fisherman soup, pounded yam, best street food. Please help me know where you are watching from. Also, try these recipes at home and come back. Tell me how your own comes out and how nice is your own. If this is your first time on my page, kindly like, comment, and then share this video. Remember to tell me where you are watching from. Thank you for